Here, under the watchful gaze of the night, life continues its eternal rhythm. The forest. Guided by instinct and the faint moonlight, the boar traverses the waterway. A vital moment in the nocturnal light. In the deep forest, the night belongs to its oldest inhabitants. A sudden twig snap shatters the calm, demanding immediate attention. The dense forest holds many sea secrets. Deep in the nocturnal woods, the scent of a newcomer attracts the attention of the resident predator. Armed with formidable tusks, these boars engage in a nightly struggle for dominance. Their aggressive display illuminated. In this nocturnal world, silence is paramount. The slight sound, even a heartbeat, can betray his position. Equipped with night vision, we observe the rarely seen nocturnal behavior of the wild boar. A sudden charge, a display of... Driven by instinct in the encroaching human world, this magnificent beast sees the camera not as a lens, but as a threat that must be eliminated. In this dense, vibrant ecosystem, every step is a calculated risk, a delicate balance between progress and peril. Here, in the heart of the wetlands, the explorer navigates a world unchanged for millennia, a testament to nature's resilience. This vibrant tapestry of moss and bark represents centuries of growth. The survivalist must tread light. In this serene, sun-dappled woodland, every moment is a testament to nature's resilience. In this vibrant ecosystem, the adventurer must tread lightly. The first layer of shelter begins deep within the woods. The rhythmic scrape of steel on earth signals the start of a new sanctuary, a testament to human resilience. Here, amidst the vibrant moss and ancient logs, the human animal harnesses the raw earth, carving a necessary refuge in the wilderness. In this dense, vibrant wilderness, the survivalist must adapt. With painstaking effort, he transforms the ancient deep within the forest's embrace. Every ounce of effort is expended to carve a refuge from the wild. Here, amidst the vibrant moss and ancient logs, the final shovel of earth is turned, securing a temporary refuge. In this serene wilderness, the crafting of a simple bow saw represents the delicate balance between utilizing nature's reaper. To thrive in this environment, one must adapt the resources at hand. This fallen branch, once destined for decay. With practiced precision, the sturdy branch is transformed into vital building material, a testament to... Resourceful and determined, he begins the foundation of his shelter, blending seamlessly with the vibrant ecosystem. With practiced precision, he secures the foundations of his shelter, a crucial step in this unforgiving wilderness. With the final log secured, the day's work is done. He surveys his creation. Here, amidst the emerald tapestry of the forest floor, the survivalist gathers the vibrant moss, a testament to nature's resilience and bounty. The forest provides everything necessary for survival. This bed of moss, carefully laid, offers insulation against the cold earth. Here, amidst the vibrant tapestry of the forest floor, the lone adventurer meticulously crafts. In this serene pocket of the woods, the moss provides a soft foundation. Here, nestled deep within the vibrant moss of the forest floor, the lone traveler finds rest. The vibrant forest floor yields its bounty. With precise, practiced movements, the adventurer shapes. In this dense, thriving ecosystem, the resourceful survivor carefully selects his materials, shaping the fallen here amidst the vibrant moss and towering trees. The challenge is not merely to exist, but to build a home from the wilderness itself. With meticulous care, the debris is cleared, revealing the smooth interior of the log. In the heart of the dense canopy, the careful application of birch bark and a single spark provides a vital source of warmth and light. Deep within the vibrant, mossy ecosystem, the survivalist tends his fire. As the flames kiss the food, the sizzles. Here, amidst the vibrant green undergrowth, the aroma of cooking meat signals a brief respite. As the dappled sunlight filters through the canopy, a simple meal becomes a moment of profound connection with the wild. Here, amidst the vibrant tapestry of the forest floor, the lone adventurer prepares his sustenance. The sizzle of the sausage, the crunch of the toast. Energy reclaimed from the wild. The forest provides not just shelter, but nourishment. A reminder of the delicate balance we must strive to maintain. Nada. In this denlit sanctuary, the day's exertions are now. In this vibrant ecosystem, the survivalist meticulously crafts each wooden stake, ensuring stability. The forest provides everything he needs, but as he shapes the wood, he is careful to take only what is necessary. In this vibrant, moss-laden sanctuary, the survivalist meticulously crafts his shelter, a temporary intrusion in the ancient wood. Driven by instinct, the solitary figure meticulously builds his refuge, demonstrating the intricate balance. Methodically, the framework takes shape. Each sharpened branch hammered into the forest floor represents a step towards survival in this vibrant ecosystem. In this vibrant, moss-covered realm, survival demands ingenuity. In this secluded haven, bathed in dappled sunlight, the structure takes shape. A Spanish wind. Here, amidst the towering pines and vibrant moss, the instinct for survival is paramount. In the heart of this vibrant ecosystem, solitary man harnesses the forest bounty, shaping raw wood. In this vibrant ecosystem, man demonstrates his ancient ability to adapt and build. Here, amidst the towering trees and dappled light, the precise tension of a simple rope means the difference between shelter and exposure. Deep within this vibrant woodland, the solitary craftsman secures the foundations of his new home, a testament to resilience. Here, precision is paramount. The survivalist shapes the raw timber, a crucial step in constructing his woodland refuge. In this dense, vibrant ecosystem, the lone adventurer meticulously crafts his shelter, relying bathed in the golden light filtering through the canopy. The survivalist harnesses the raw materials of this thriving ecosystem. Here, amidst the moss and ancient logs, the solitary figure works with primal determination, securing his place. The shelter, now complete, offers a vital refuge from the elements. Deep in this mossy realm, the intricate tying of the knots secures not just a shelter, but a temporary truce with the wilderness. In the heart of this vibrant, mossy realm, the structure begins to take shape. Here, amidst the vibrant moss and light, the ancient teklab, Here, in the heart of the forest, the adventurer meticulously seals his shelter against the coming night, utilizing the earth itself for insulation. The forest provides not just sanctuary, but the very materials for survival. In this dense, rich, vibrant ecosystem, the solitary builder works with practical precision. In this dense, vibrant sanctuary, the resourceful human integrates himself, crafting shelter from the very elements that surround him. The survivalist meticulously seals his dwelling, relying on the earth itself for protection against the elements. In this untouched wilderness, the resourceful survivor carefully crafts a shelter, blending seamlessly with the surrounding environment. In this dense, vibrant forest, the lone adventurer utilizes the ancient technique of waddle and dog, crafting. In this vibrant, thriving ecosystem, the architect of the wilderness meticulously crafts his sanctuary. In this dense woodland, shelter is paramount. The meticulous application of moss provides not only camouflage. Here we observe the resourceful adventurer as he crafts a temporary refuge from the elements, blending it seamlessly with the forest floor. Here, amidst the dappled sunlight, a temporary home is crafted. The birch, a pioneer species, readily sheds its skin, offering a versatile material for the resourceful traveler. This resourceful adventurer understands the value of the birch. With careful precision, he harvests the bark. The flickering firelight pushes back the night, illuminating a crucial task. With practiced hands, he transforms simple... With the arrival of dusk, the warmth of the fire becomes paramount. He meticulously seals his dwelling. Here, deep within the ancient woods, he finds refuge. A reminder that with skill and respect, humanity can coexist with the wild. As twilight deepens, the bright red pepper offers a burst of color and sustenance. Sliced with precision, it will soon be ready for the evening meal. As night falls, the lone adventurer prepares a vital meal, utilizing the warmth of the fire to transform simple ingredients into sustenance. In the quiet solitude of the boreal twilight, the day's hunt concludes not with large prey, but with these small foxes. In the quiet embrace of the forest twilight, the day's labor concludes with the promise of warmth and sustenance. As night falls, the lone traveler seeks sustenance. Here, the raw energy of the forest meets the transformative power. In the heart of the wilderness, the aroma of roasting meat signals survival, a testament to ingenuity. As night falls, the lone adventurer finds warmth and sustenance. The perfectly cooked meat is a testament to his... Here, in the heart of the untamed wilderness, the day's toil is rewarded with a simple, yet profoundly satisfying feast. The survivalist savors his meal, a moment of warmth and nourishment amidst the encroaching chill of the forest night. The wild demands respect, especially as the light fades. With practiced precision. As the temperatures plummet, the carefully managed fire becomes the very heart of survival, coaxing warmth from the wilderness. Deep within the ancient wood, the scent of an intruder draws the forest's most potable residue.